Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. I'll show you all the details, tell you about them, about the techniques we used to make this dress. The design is pretty complicated, so it took us a lot of time and hard work to make it. The dress is very wide. We made it for a young customer. Even though the dress is wide, the armholes are tiny. The sleeves are wide at the bottom. Have a look at it. These parts are pretty irregular. There is a straight yoke on the back. And there is a round one on the front. I'll show you the scene when I put the dress on the table. It's covered with a flounce. To make the dress that wide, I'm not talking about the flounce now. To make this part of the dress that wide, we had to flare the front and the back. We made several cuts, there were 4 centimeters in between them. And then we opened each one for about 8 to 9 centimeters. Once again, we divided the back and the front into 4 centimeter wide details and opened each cut for about 8 to 9 centimeters. This is how we made the front and the back that flared. These folds look amazing. The back yoke is straight. It's very simple. The front yoke is decorated with the flounce. We measured how long it should be and used 3 times more fabric for it. There is also a small flounce here. Have a close look at these flounces. To make them look this way, we edged them with rolled hem. We also used 3 times more fabric for these details. This is the only way to make flounces look so beautiful. Have a close look at them. The sleeves are gathered with an elastic at the bottom. Notice that both of these flounces are doubled with rigolene from the wrong side. Here it is. Due to this fact, we could make the flounces of this amazing shape. This is why the sleeves are so wide. There is also double flounce at the bottom. We didn't have enough fabric to use 3 times more fabric, so we made it twice wider than the bottom. Notice that even though it's different, it still looks really good. These folds are also beautiful. If you want it to look this way, use 3 times more fabric for it. This flounce was made the same way. We'll attach buttons here. We want to cover them with the same fabric. As I've already said, the sleeves are gathered on an elastic. The dress is flared. This flounce is double. The lower one was stitched to the bottom, and the upper one to the dress. We didn't cut the dress to do it. This dress is absolutely amazing. It took a lot of hard work and effort to make it. You do not necessarily have to make such a big flounce. You can make 2 narrow flounces. You can even make just 1 flounce here. It will also look very good. As I've already said, you can change the designs I show you however you like. I show you the reviews of the items for you to see some interesting details which you can use when sewing. If you want to make such wide sleeves, stitch rigolene stripes on the wrong side. This is the reason the sleeves are such amazing shape. Even though the dress and the sleeves are wide, the armholes are regular. Next, I'll put the dress on the table to show you the wrong side. Have a look at the dress. It's almost half circle. Even though it's not half circle, it's flared enough. The flounces are even more flared. The lower flounce was made absolutely the same way. If the upper flounce hikes up, the lower will still look beautiful. The flounces are more than twice wider than the bottom. Of course, they're not as flared as these ones. I think that you got the idea of the design. Next, I'll show you the wrong side. First, I want to show you the sleeves. They're gathered with an elastic. Have a look at the regular stripes. This is a very useful technique. I haven't showed it to you yet. The sleeves are amazing. Have a look at the yoke. Here it is. It's double. This is where the small flounce is attached. This is where it ends. The big flounce was stitched right in this seam. To make flounces on the sleeves, measure this distance, 29 centimeters. I need 60 centimeters, and multiply it by 3. You can make a straight dress with such sleeves. It will also look amazing. These flounces were stitched to the dress. The bottom was edged with a rolled hem. We didn't overcast it. The back neckline was edged with the facing. The dress is flared down from the yoke. Today I showed you a review of this amazing dress. I hope that you'll find it useful. Watch the reviews to learn some interesting techniques, designs and ideas. You can use them when sewing clothes for yourselves. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.